Welcome, today I am with Citroen C3 Car Key and I'll show you how we can open that key and how we can replace the battery. So at first we have to focus on this part of this plastic cover. Next we have to take a look right here. Grab thin object, thin tool, and then lift that part. So we have to insert this tool here, then lift from the both sides. And right now you can put it here a little bit deeper and then just lift. And there it is. As you can see right now, you are able to remove this battery. And then put it back. Next, we have to input this cover like that. Take a look. Put it here and then press. And right now it's finished. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.